Earn money on YouTube by watching videos in 2023. Make money online. In today's educational session, we're diving into a unique way to potentially earn some extra income online. Welcome, seekers of financial knowledge. Ever wondered if you could get paid for watching YouTube videos? It might sound like a stretch, but stay with us as we break down the possibilities. Many of us spend hours on YouTube every day. And what if we told you that there's a way to turn that time into money and you can do it from anywhere in the world, absolutely free? That's right. Today, we'll explore this intriguing concept and provide you with a step-by-step guide to help you get started. But before we dive into the details, we want to introduce you to Profitability Plus, a channel dedicated to helping you learn how to make money online. We believe that financial freedom is within reach for anyone willing to explore various avenues, and we're here to guide you on your journey. Let's begin with the basics. To start making money by watching YouTube videos, the first step is obvious. You need to find videos to watch. But not just any videos will do. You'll want to focus on specific niches such as mystery, news, facts, or psychology. These niches have the potential to generate more income in this unique endeavor. Here are some niches you can find lots of videos on. First, how to manage your personal finances. Tips and strategies for budgeting, saving, and investing wisely are always in demand. Number 2. Healthy eating habits. Articles about nutrition, meal planning, and maintaining a healthy diet are timeless as people consistently seek better health. Third, effective time management. Techniques for improving productivity and time management are always relevant in our busy lives. Number 4. Home organization and decluttering. Guides on decluttering, organizing, and creating an efficient living space never go out of style. Number 5. Travel tips. Travel destination guides, packing tips, and budget travel advice are consistently sought after by travelers. Number 6. Self-improvement and personal growth. Articles on self-confidence, motivation, and personal development are eternally relevant. Number 7. Stress management techniques. Coping with stress and anxiety is an ongoing challenge for many people, making this topic evergreen. Number 8. Parenting advice. Parenting tips and guides on raising children remain essential for new and experienced parents. Number 9. Home improvement. DIY projects, home maintenance, and renovation ideas continue to captivate homeowners. Number 10. Career development. Articles on resume building, job hunting, and workplace success are relevant to those seeking career growth. Number 11. Relationship advice. Tips on maintaining healthy relationships, whether romantic or platonic, never lose their value. Number 12. Educational resources. Articles about effective study techniques, learning strategies, and educational resources cater to students of all ages. Number 13. Fitness and exercise routines. Staying fit and active is a timeless goal, making articles about workouts, fitness plans, and wellness tips evergreen. Number 14. Environmental conservation. Sustainability practices, green living, and eco-friendly tips are consistently important in our world today. Number 15. Cooking and recipes. Cooking guides, recipes, and culinary tips are timeless for those who enjoy preparing meals at home. Remember to keep the content updated and fresh as necessary to maintain its relevance over time. Once you've found a suitable video, copy the video's link and head over to a website called YouTubetranscript.com. This website allows you to convert the video into text. Why is this important? Well, you'll need the text version for the next steps. After the video is converted into an article, copy the entire text and paste it into a document, like Google Docs. This is where you'll keep it temporarily while we move on to the next phase. Now, here comes the twist. You'll take this article and, with a little help from a website called phrase.io, rewrite it. This step optimizes the article, making it more suitable for our purposes. Copy this optimized article and place it back in your Google Docs. Don't forget to delete the original article to avoid any confusion. At this point, you might be wondering how you can turn this article into income. Well, we've got you covered. Head over to Vocal Media, a platform that pays you for every 1,000 views your article receives. For each article you create, you can earn $3.80 for every 1,000 views. But let's crunch some numbers here. If you can get 10,000 views in your article, you'll make $38. Not bad for something you can do in your free time. Now, for the ambitious ones out there, consider this. Imagine creating and uploading 10 articles per day. That's right, 10 articles. By the end of a month, you'd have 300 articles working for you. While this approach may sound like more work, it could pay off significantly. To maximize your earnings, it's crucial to choose the right niches and optimize your articles effectively. Remember, this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, but rather a potential side hustle that can pay your bills or even more. Now, let's delve a bit deeper into how you can truly optimize your journey to financial success through Profitability Plus and this unique side hustle. First, when it comes to choosing the right niches for your articles, think about what interests you the most within the realms of mystery, news, facts, or psychology. Content creation is more enjoyable when you're passionate about the subject matter, and your enthusiasm can shine through in your articles. Next, let's talk about maximizing your potential earnings. If you're aiming for that $38 mark for each article, you'll want to focus on getting those 10,000 views. To increase your chances of success, consider some of these strategies. Keyword research. Research and include relevant keywords in your articles. This will help your articles appear in search results and attract more views. Engage your audience. Encourage readers to share your articles on social media and engage with their comments. The more your content is shared, the more views you'll accumulate. Consistency is key. Creating and uploading 10 articles a day might seem daunting, but it's a surefire way to increase your potential earnings. The more articles you have, the more chances there are for people to stumble upon your work. Quality matters. While quantity is essential, don't sacrifice quality. Well-researched, informative, and engaging articles are more likely to attract viewers and keep them coming back for more. Promote your work. Share your articles on your social media platforms and within relevant online communities. Building an audience that appreciates your content can boost your views. Remember that success in any side hustle takes time and dedication. Profitability Plus is here to guide you every step of the way. Our channel offers a wealth of information, tips, and tricks to help you succeed in your online money-making ventures. So there you have it, a unique and exciting way to potentially transform your YouTube addiction into a profitable side hustle. As with any endeavor, success relies on dedication, perseverance, and the willingness to put in the effort required. While this approach might not lead you to an overnight fortune, it certainly provides a practical and accessible method to generate additional income online. So if you're enthusiastic about exploring this opportunity further, we encourage you to follow the detailed steps we've outlined. Who knows, with your comment and the strategies we've shared, you might just find yourself turning your YouTube viewing time into a reliable source of income. Until our next encounter, keep on your path of discovering financial knowledge, and always remember, the pursuit of financial freedom is a journey well worth undertaking.